Cammy, is it your dolly? Baby doll? Is that your baby dolly? Huh, honey? Is that Cammy's baby dolly? Doll, that's right. Yeah? Baby dolly. Doll. Doll. Yes. Yeah. What, honey? Dolly. That's right, honey. A doll. Is that a doll? And do you have books? Do you have books? Aaron, honey, stop. Stop.